Hi, Punsaritha. I've been thinking about you.
What him doing?
Whenever we quarrel, him pretend to call him girlfriend.
Me I call it for my new black cherry.
Black cherry?
You know, make me jealous. You think I don't know that you're not talking to anybody?
That's what you thought. Sorry about that, Punsi.
Well, you're going to need the phone battery.
Punsaritha, make me put in the phone battery and call you back.
Black cherry.
And that's why I love Blackberry. Me not tell no lie on myself. I swear on me two pitney them. You game already? Someone said Titus, they not too like Titus, although he's a great actor because he overact. You think he overact, he overdo it, he over exaggerate? Let me know in the comment section. And of course, as you see, it's a Titus video. So before the laughing and the coughing, just like the video and let's proceed to give you what you need. Is the joke, the comedies.
If words could kill.
Your imaginary friend.
So tell me something. You're really that ugly?
Well, you're not bad looking.
Me that ugly?
Me see uglier than you.
So me ugly.
You're not pretty.
Me say if me ugly.
Like Finn. Star, you look like a cross between a bullfrog and a bulldozer.
Alright.
You see, if Labour Pain did have looks, would have favor you.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Hey, you see, if your mouth lip did 2 inches longer, you could have passed a really cute lady alligator.
Alright, done now. Done.
Try not go near no swamp during mating season, though.
Please, I have to see what you look like.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
You know, there are plastic surgeons who can perform miracles with that.
Not enough plastic in the world to fix that, baby love. Wow!
It was ugly for true, man. I'd like to see this play in 3D or 4K to see what it really look like. Cause as you can see, quality evidence not that good. But the man said if Labour Pain had a visual, you would look like it. Jesus, Pitimus. What a comparison, man. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we are move forward. If you don't like the video, just like the video, man. Me tell you, so you're gonna laugh. This your next one? Da da dee da da da.
The clouds are gray. The dog is brown. The yellow bird is yellow. The black bird is black. The sky is blue. And I'm blue too. Over you. You said the dark brown, the puss, white, the white. Hi, man. The soul song, man. You know, better come bring in a booger yaga business, not this, man. Sure. All right. You sing the second verse. Yeah.
All right.
Eddie.
What style did I sing you're on in?
I mean, what style am I sing it? The man say, oh, I love song, brother. Man, I want a boogle yaga. The sky is blue. And from the look of it, your balls are blue too. Anyways, we are move forward. Sir Oliver the one, Oliver the teacher, Titus the student.
Me, Milo was doing you a favor. Sit down. I may then call you Milo Massa.
Sir, that are my real name, sir. Milo Flower.
That are your real name. Your mama and papa did hungry when they need you. Milo and flour. Milo is an Italian name. Really now? So you is Italian? No. No, sir. You can speak Italian? No. Yes. Una, dos, tres, cuatro. Idiot. Me never say French.
No man, the teacher worse than the student. The boss gone to Spain and the teacher gone to France. But yet him a Italian. Hey, bring back center stage and Oliver and everybody man. And Shibada. Man, I love to see Oliver and Shibada in a one play. That has never happened. That would not be history. Anyways, we have our next nice little piece here.
You know how we do.
I saw some simple kissing Santa Claus underneath the orchid tree last night.
What me say? Santa come down to the chimney. He kiss dry food fear. Big eye care. Big belly Marley. Not me Carly. What me say? Never see nothing. Never see nothing. Everybody ask me never see nothing. Never see nothing. Never see nothing. Anybody ask me never see nothing. 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 Murder us, man! Murder us! Murder us!
Yeah, man.
But no
Yes, man,
mistake.
it's a murderous.
But we can't produce it.
Why?
Because it not say nothing. What? Never say nothing. Never say nothing.
And kill me then, me swear the man them a mash up the place. Cause the producer jump on a dance and a skip and a hop and a try go up and beat. Producer is a hater man, cause right now if that is song they release right now is a hit, me not have to ask nobody. Anyway, you see YouTube is a place where you can study. So from what I plays them, I already plays on the channel here. So me push out plays and of course have to post some Ninja Man, Bada Cat, Peanut Dread and some other stuff, funny Jamaican videos. Decide to drop a dancehall video, Lady Saw and Maca Diamond as clash. YouTube say, yo, stick to plays, brother. Stick to plays. React to plays, not to dancehall. But anyways, we're gonna continue doing me do, mix it up. But of course, we're gonna more plays and school starts the 11th. So for the first week, I see how it go, and then for the second week, we might start the 2 videos a play and then a random video. When I say random, I mean Ninja Man, funny videos, dancehall, funny videos. You know, I does funny stuff. Although we're not funny over here, we're straight like an arrow. But I appreciate everybody watching the videos nightly, daily, weekly, monthly, everywhere, anyway, anyhow. And thanks for your support, man. I appreciate it. And yeah, man, just like your video for me and stay safe. And as always, God bless.